Hello everyone, it's Sam here from Masters Technology. Today we are introducing our new Android 11 based interactive flat panel. Now, this flat panel has a lot of new features and is user friendly. To start with the hardware, I would like to tell you that we are using Amlogic 311G2 in this device. Now, the good thing about this device is that we have more options for the RAM and for the storage. For example, this device has 4GB RAM, but it also supports 6GB and 8GB RAM. And the storage that we have here is 32GB, but we can also have 64 and 128 as well. Now, another new feature is that we have multiple user accounts. So, like, if you are using this device in a classroom, so different teachers, they don't have to change everything or they don't have to find their files. They can simply log into their own account and access their data as well. So it makes it secure as well. Now, of course, this device has multiple languages, but we have more languages in this device. And of course, you can customize the themes, the wallpapers, and there are more gesture controls as well. And we also have screen recording feature in this. Now, this is something new. And this device also has the voting feature. So you can create a voting subject and you can give options as well. For example, let me just quickly do go, yes or no. So for example, next step. So you can also let them do, you can have multiple choices, so you can let them vote for a single choice or multiple choice. And you can also do anonymous voting, or you can let, if you want to know who has voted for what, you can do it as well. Now if you will start the voting, there will be a QR code. So let me just show you how, let me just quickly do it for you. So for example, I just have to scan the code. And after scanning the code, you can see I have got the option for yes or no. Let's say if I do no, and I have voted for it, I have casted my vote. So see, we can see here we have one person has voted. Okay, if I want to stop voting, I can end the voting. And see, we also have a graph. You can save it as well, and you can then share it with your colleagues as well. Alright, so this was the voting part. Of course, it has timer as well. Now, let me quickly tell you about some of its new features. This device has Bluetooth 5, it has Wi-Fi 6 for faster connections, and it has fully functional Type-C USB. This Type-C USB it can also have audio and video signals input. So it means that you can actually connect it with the Android device, and you can actually access the touch function. You can actually live play your audios and videos through your device, and it can support up to 4K videos. Now, another new feature, it has a Touch USB 3.0. So this one is faster as well. And RJ45 in that LAN port, it's also faster for internet connections. Another new feature that we have, of course I've told you that we have multiple users account, and we can also do parallel app music. So let me quickly tell you what is parallel app music. Let's say we want to use multiple apps at the same time. Let's say I have opened the Office, and so I can use it here. Okay, I can of course enlarge it, but I can also make it smaller and change its size and put it anywhere on the screen. So, and if I want to use the whiteboard at the same time, I can also make it smaller and I can put it here. And see, we have two apps running at the same time. So we can have multiple apps on the screen. You can also use this feature while using the whiteboard as well. Get back to our new Office. Also, it has Android to Windows dual access. So let me quickly tell you. That dual access, you can access the OBS while using the Android system. So this is a new feature. In the previous versions, you'll have to, you can either use Windows system or the Android system. But here you can use both at the same time. Another good thing about this device is that you have side menus that you can access it from the both sides, so you don't have to keep moving. Okay, and from the side menus you can access the annotation feature as well. So you can annotate anywhere on the screen, and you can have multiple pages, and you can share it using the QR codes as well. We are not saving it at the moment. Now about our whiteboard, this whiteboard has a lot of new features. Actually, you can do anything on this whiteboard. You can access different apps while using the whiteboard. Also, you are able to add photos and add tables and videos, and you can access different apps as well while using it. You can access the whole PDFs, you can access the whole Office while working on your whiteboard, you can access the browser as well. See, at the same time you can use different things, so your work is more smooth, and of course you can insert all types of media on the whiteboard. So also you have two profiles of the pen, so you don't need to change all the time. You can simply, if you want to change it, you can just simply change the profile of the pen. Now, of course you can have multiple colors, you can customize the color as well, you can change its boldness, and you can have multiple, like for example, and also you have text feature, like text pen. So whatever you will buy, it will come into handwriting. Let's say, so you can see, let's write. So see, it is very useful sometimes when you have to do edits or something. Let's say if your writing is not good enough. So we have also that selection tool. So for example, if I have to move this part, I can just move it anywhere on the screen. By holding it from here, I can rotate it as well. So this is very useful. And you can also insert shapes as well. Like for example, we can insert stars, we can select them, we can make it big, we can make it small. Alright. And also what you can do, you can have access to different inputs. You can access for your OPS, you can have access to your HDMI, DP ports, and also Type-C here. Okay, and you can of course change the backgrounds, you can save these files in the form of PDF, photos, or editable whiteboard files. And this you can all share using your QR codes. So, and they can also be encrypted as well for security as well. So I'm moving, but I can also access it from both sides. For example, I can access this from here, and I can also access the side menus from here. And I can add multiple pages. Let's say if I've added a new page, we can also add tables. So for example, we have added this table, we can add a row and a column as well in this way. And if I want to increase the size or decrease it, I can also do using the selection tool. So for example, if I've selected it, I can make it smaller. I can also lock it, it can't be moved, I can unlock it, and also what I can copy this as well. So this is very useful. If I'm writing something, so it will expand automatically as well to fit in the content. These were some of the new features and the functions of this device. Please let us know in the comments what you think of this product. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.